Programming languages are very much like spoken languages. There are rules that you have to follow in order for your code to work. In this episode, we'll take a look at a very important concept called syntax.
Welcome to MV Coding Camp. Build coding foundation by learning basic coding fundamentals using real code and hands-on exercises. Don't worry, what we'll cover applies to any programming language. Let's get started.
How do you change this into this? There are usually easy step-by-step directions printed on the package. In this case, we have to fill the container with water, heat that in a microwave for a few minutes, and stir the cheese sauce into the cooked pasta. Coding is very much like writing the directions for that box of microwave meal. You're using ingredients such as words, numbers, and symbols, and writing directions on how to, cook them into information and data. When your code is running, and we'll call it execution, information or data is being turned into other types of information or data. In spoken languages, syntax is the set of rules that tell you how to put together a sentence properly so that we can understand each other. When you don't follow the syntax, other people may not understand you. Like this guy.
To have a cheeseburger I like.
Each programming language will have its own syntax or ways to write code correctly in that language. Many languages, for example, require you to add a semicolon at the end of a line. Others may not. Another example is whether the programming language you use is case-sensitive or case-insensitive. If it's case-sensitive, like most are, then the word cat spelled with an uppercase C and spelled with a lowercase c are different things. If it is case-insensitive, spelling cat either way doesn't really matter.
Spell words carefully when you code, you must.
Time for an exercise. We're going to do a simple exercise. I'll describe what you need to do, and then you can pause the video and try it for yourself. Open a browser like Chrome and go to this address. Pause the video now, and when you see this website, come back here and continue playing this video. Awesome, let's continue. What you're looking at is a special and simple code writing website that I wrote called Tide. We'll use that for the next few exercises. For now, click on level 1 and you see 3 columns. On the left are directions for you. What you can do is shown here. In the center is where you type. On the right is what you get. Go ahead and type in anything you like into the center column, like your name. Then click Show to see what happens. Go ahead and pause this video now and try that. Awesome. In that very simple exercise, there are no rules on what you can or cannot type. In other words, there are no syntax requirements, so you can type whatever you want. Now, if there's a syntax requirement, you will not be able to type everything you want. Go back to Tide, click on the green squares at the top right corner, and then click on level 2. On the left, you will see that you are now only allowed to type 1 of 5 words. If you type anything else or don't spell the words exactly as they are shown, you'll find out. Go ahead and pause this video now and try. When you're done, come back. Welcome back. In the next few episodes, we're going to learn some basic coding concepts by creating shapes. Pause this video now again, go back to Tide and try level 3 and you know what I mean. Awesome. We'll continue with the remaining levels in future episodes.
To the next episode, let's go.